What if you could reclaim 20 hours every week without hiring an assistant or working longer? The most productive entrepreneurs aren't superhuman. They've simply stopped doing repetitive work themselves. Today, I'll show you a practical AI workflow you can implement immediately. Before we begin, here's an important mindset shift. AI doesn't save time by making you work faster. It saves time by eliminating work that doesn't require your attention. Your goal is simple: delegate repetitive tasks to AI so you can focus on decisions that grow your business. Step 1. Audit your week. Open your calendar or to-do list. Write down every recurring task you complete during a normal week. Examples include answering emails, scheduling meetings, writing social media posts, creating reports, meeting notes, customer replies, research. If you repeat it every week, it belongs on the list. Now identify which tasks require creativity and which are repetitive. Your creativity should stay with you. The repetitive work should move to AI. This simple exercise immediately reveals where you're losing the most time. Step 2. Automate communication. Most entrepreneurs spend hours inside their inbox. Instead, let AI draft replies, summarize long email threads, and prioritize important messages. When someone books a meeting, automate confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-ups. Instead of managing conversations manually, AI keeps communication moving. Step 3. Build a content system. Never start from a blank page again. Ask AI to generate ideas, outlines, first drafts, captions, headlines, and content calendars. Then spend your time improving the content instead of creating everything from scratch. You're editing, not staring at a blinking cursor. Even better, repurpose one long-form video into shorts, LinkedIn posts, Facebook updates, email newsletters, and blog articles. One idea, multiple platforms, maximum reach. Step 4. Eliminate meeting waste. Meetings often create more work than they solve. Use AI to record meetings, generate transcripts, summarize key decisions, and list action items automatically. Instead of taking notes, stay focused on the conversation. Step 5. Connect everything. Here's where the real productivity gains happen. Connect your apps together. When someone fills out a contact form, automatically save their information. Send a welcome email. Update your CRM. Create a task. Notify your team. No copying, no pasting, no forgotten follow-ups. Step 6. Create an AI dashboard store. Your projects, documents, meeting notes, SOPs, and business ideas in one organized workspace. Instead of searching through folders for 10 minutes, ask AI where something is. Your business becomes searchable. Your knowledge becomes reusable. Step 7. End every day with AI. Before you finish work each day, ask AI 3 questions. What did I accomplish today? What should I prioritize tomorrow? What tasks can I automate next? Within minutes, you have tomorrow's plan ready before your workday even begins. Now imagine combining every step you've learned. Emails handled, content drafted, meetings summarized, tasks organized, customers followed up, reports generated. Instead of working inside your business all day, you're finally working on your business. Here's a challenge. Choose one repetitive task today. Automate it this week. Measure how much time you saved, then automate another next week. Small improvements create massive results over time. Remember this principle. Don't try to automate your entire business overnight. Build one workflow. Perfect it. Then build the next. That's how sustainable automation is created. If this guide helped you discover ways to reclaim your time, subscribe to Skill Yield Lab. Every week, we share practical AI systems, automation strategies, and high-income skills that help entrepreneurs work smarter, grow faster, and build lasting financial freedom. Share this video with someone who's always saying, "I don't have enough time." Saving time is only the beginning. The next step is using AI to create a business that serves customers around the clock. In our next episode, How to Build an AI Customer Support System That Works 24/7, you'll learn how to use AI chatbots, automated knowledge bases, and smart workflows to answer customer questions, improve response times, and deliver exceptional support, even while you're offline. Until then, remember, the goal isn't to do more work. The goal is to build systems that do more work for you. This is Skill Yield Lab, where skills create income, income builds wealth, and and wealth creates freedom. I'll see you in the next episode.